Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Stanford School of Medicine graduation ceremony. I vividly remember being in the same position, surrounded by friends and family after that long journey of completing both an MD and PhD degree and feeling, ready.
It's a culmination of years of hard work. Really happy to share this moment with a lot of my friends and buddies.
I'm so excited. I feel so blessed to be here. This is honestly such a privilege.
My heart is really, really full. I have my family coming all the way from Peru. It's just a dream come true today.
Today's graduation day, and I actually never thought it was gonna ever happen for me. It's so crazy that it's today. Going through all the cancer treatment and everything, I'm so happy that I did it and didn't give up, and I got to be here today with all my friends, and my family's here too, and I'm just really happy.
Just gratitude. I mean, you look around, a lot of amazing people that you'll know for the rest of your life, and it's really special to get to share it with them.
It just feels like the end of an era. It's sad because I'm saying goodbye to my friends, but at the same time excited to be starting a new journey.
I had my parents come, so in a way I feel like I'm graduating. I think this is a time that's been difficult for me personally, but this is a time I can hopefully add some inspiration to others out there.
Greetings! I greet each one of you with grace and peace today as we celebrate together Stanford University School of Medicine graduation ceremony for class of 2025.
Wow. I mean, what a beautiful view. All I see, stunning doctors, bright futures.
I hope that today you're thinking of past versions of yourself, letting them serve as tangible reminders of just how far you've come, that not so long ago you once dreamed of being exactly where you are right now, graduating from Stanford School of Medicine.
The story we tell when going is not the story we tell when coming back. So to the School of Medicine graduates today, know that you are coming back to a world with a developing story, but never forget you are one of the riders.
How will you, as a newly minted graduate of the Stanford University School of Medicine, become the fighters, the repairers, the protectors, and the helpers that we and our entire humanity need today?
If you had told me when I was a medical student in your shoes in 2002 that a patient with metastatic lung cancer that had spread to 50 spots in my brain would be giving a full-throated graduation address, I would not have believed you at all. Even though this is the 18,626th day of my life, and even though I have an uncurable cancer, I embrace each day and try my best to find the happiness and joy in it. I was wondering if the audience and the faculty could join me in standing and give a standing ovation to all the graduates today.
And now we begin the presentation of the diplomas.
Today, I want to introduce an idea to seek awe in your lives. Not awe as a vague sense of wonder, but as a real embodiment of experience, one that shifts how you see the world and your place in the world, one that reminds us of what truly matters, because awe is not a distraction, it's a compass. It reminds us of why we chose this path and who we hope to become along the way.
Congratulations to all our graduates.
Family, friends, loved ones, faculty, and most importantly, today's honorees, the graduating class of 2025. Congratulations, you made it.